Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. I know it's been a while since I've done one of the exercise videos. I've, just haven't had the time to actually do the, recording and editing and stuff. I had thrown out some recordings and I just couldn't edit them, so this is going to be catching up here. But I have been doing my exercises, but I'm just so busy with everything else, I haven't been able to do the editing. So. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get on it, and then I'll come back at the end with some information for you guys. Alright? almost an hour and 15 on it. Finished up watching Avatar and started Avatar Way of the Water, whatever it's called. Anyways, gonna be heading over across the street for number 4 grandson's birthday. He turns 4 today. Coming up here tomorrow on Camp Patton Family Compound is canning vegetables, and so it'll be Tammy from Rebel Canners and Mark from Chef Tech. We'll be over there, and we're going to talk about canning vegetables, the challenge and rewards of it. On Tuesday, the topic was recommended by Rachel Knight, and that is fleas, ticks, and lice, and talking about more than just your pets, talking about children and you yourselves, how you can get in an SHTF or Tawaki situation, you can get infestations of them in your whole home. Thursday will be the midnight ride at 10 o'clock Eastern, which is midnight in Rio de Janeiro. It's always midnight somewhere. Friday, also recommended by Rachel Knight, additives to spices. All the stuff that they're putting in spices, you don't realize it unless you actually take the time to read the labels. And we're going to be reading a bunch of labels and talking about the different additives and why they are actually ripping you off by putting these additives in there, and poisoning you by putting these additives into the spices. And then next Saturday is Price Shock. Is prepping worth it? And this was recommended by a couple channels that sent me emails on showing the prices of food changing, and so yeah. Anyway, so that's what's coming up here. I need to go take a shower and then go across for the birthday party. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and grow an indoor garden. We're going to be doing an indoor garden challenge for 2025. It'll start on January 1st and on December 31st. And whoever can grow the most food by weight will get an $50 Amazon gift card. So practice now. Learn how to grow food indoors so you're ready for it. Because seriously, you really need to have an indoor garden.